Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this look for you going on. I wanted to go back and use some of my Morphe palettes, my newer ones. So I've got the Morphe collab with Jeffree Star, and then I've got the Morphe Artistry palette that they brought out for Pride Month in June. So this is the look that I've got, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, so this is the finished look that I've got for you. I loved creating this look today. I love using greens They're definitely one of my favourite eyeshadow shades to play with at the moment, and I had some pretty amazing greens. I used a lot from the Artistry palette that Morphe brought out for Pride Month back in June. I've only used this maybe once or twice, and I felt like I needed quite a few more goes out of it. I mean, look at all those shades there. Obviously I stuck to this area here and managed to use quite a bit of this goldy yellow. It's called Healing shade here. I did actually mix it a bit with this yellow because it wasn't really coming out quite as pigmented as I was hoping. So I did mix it with the Sunlight shade here just to get that really nice pigmented yellowy gold look on the inner corners of the eye. And then I did also go into a few shades with my Morphe Jeffree Star palette, and I used obviously the two at the bottom here where I used Nate and Wake and Bake, and then I also used this as a pop on the inner corner, which is Glam Rapids. So yeah, this is the look. And then I finished it off with the L'Oreal Le Chocolat Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Volupto Choco, I think that says. It's number 862. I haven't got my glasses on, but this is the shade here for you, and it's actually really nice. It's a tiny bit sticky, but it's completely mattified, and I just love the shade of it. It's definitely a lot darker than I was expecting it to be, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. So if you did enjoy the video, then please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment on the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the look, what you thought about it, whether or not you've got any of these products and your thoughts on the products. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and remember to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I do try and upload 2 videos a week, which are usually on a Sunday and also a Wednesday, but those days do vary as I have been a bit busy lately. Follow me over on my Instagram account, which is just at the bottom here, and also on my Twitter account, which is just sneakily at the bottom by here. Also follow me on my TikTok account, and I will see you soon, so take care.